Hi Pisces, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, guys. So let us see what is coming up, Pisces. So we'll be picking one card each, guys, for your general energy. This is the card for your general reading, guys, and this is the card for your career, and this is for your relationship. So we'll turn the cards now, and I'll give the angel guidance message at last, guys. King of Wands, this is for your general energy. Three of Wands, this is for your career. The Sun, and this is for your relationship, Pisces. Pisces, the energy with this card for your general reading is that you are a person of a great strength. You inspire others, and you yourself have that conviction and strength in your heart to do the things in a particular way, and you exhibit great authority over people. People look up to you. So the people that you are involved with, they feel that they can rely on you, guys, for your strong sense of commitment, and for the way you handle things, the way you successfully move forward in your life. And you are a person of honesty. So whatever you feel in your heart, you are able to do that, guys, and you are able to speak that. So that is the way people feel about you, and people are greatly attracted to you, guys, the way you are and the way you do your things. So it may be in your work situation or in this relationship, they have a great attraction towards you, guys. That is the energy with this card. So for your career, it is Three of Wands. So this card denotes a very positive way things are going in your situation, guys. So whatever achievements you have, and whatever goals you have reached till now, you are happy for it, but you are still making efforts to reach what you want to reach, the dreams, your future goals, whatever you have. So maybe for some of you all, you may be seeing some expansion in your business or work. In your work situation, you may be getting some promotion. Something really happy, guys, is coming your way. Some positive changes are coming your way, Pisces, in your work situation or in your business. So you're expanding your career, or you're expanding your business. So you are seeing great growth. So that is the energy here with this card. And for your relationship, it is the Sun, again a very positive card. So with this person, you feel that you are extremely lucky to be in this relationship with this person, or they feel this way about you, because the way you command respect and the way you radiate joy and inspiration in your life, and you are full of confidence and strength, and you have that clarity in your action, clarity of your vision, however you want to go about doing things, and you have that great understanding with this person, and they love you for that, guys. And the way you are radiating joy and that positive vibration, they have that great attraction towards you, Pisces. So that is the energy here with this card. So things are really positive for you guys in your work situation and in this relationship. So things are going in a good way today for you all, guys. That is the energy with these cards. So let us see what the angels are guiding us with today, guys. So I'll be picking one card from the angel guidance deck, guys. Pisces. it's an angel card, guys. So whenever we get an angel card, it just means that the angels are guiding us today, guys. So the energy with this card is that, guys, before loving others, before loving the person in our life who is in relationship with us, we should have that love for ourselves, guys. So in order to see the beauty of ourselves and the beauty of others, we should have that unconditional love towards us and towards the people who are there in this relationship. You should not be judgmental about them. You have to have that great respect and compassion towards others. So each and everyone has a unique journey in their life, guys. So whatever is their situation, you should have that compassion and respect for the other person. When you have that, when you do that, when you work together, you have that love for others, and when you have that unconditional love, you open your heart to more peace and tolerance, guys. So that is the energy with this card, and that is the angels guidance for us today, guys. So you need to have that respect and compassion and tolerance to the people who are there in our life, guys. And that is the reading for you all, Pisces. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.